Hey everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to add filters to your columns in Google Sheets. So here we just have some data on full-time jobs, and if I wanted to add um, some filters on each of these columns, I would just first select the row, then go to More and hit the filter button. So depending on your screen size as well as how zoomed in or out your web page is, the filter button might just be on this top header. So now we have filters on each of the columns here for our data set. And for example, if we wanted to filter company name alphabetically, now we're able to do so by just hitting this button in the top right and sorting alphabetically A to Z. Now we can view the companies alphabetically from A all the way to Y. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing.